Wow! Semifinals, 10K GP, backstock. Let's go! First set, semis! First set, semis! Tumaob! May re-race ba? Wala. Tatapusin na. Ayun! Ay! Oh! Re-race! Last car tayo, guys! Last car! Uy! Pumunat na! Last car winner! Uy! Nauuna si The Businessman! One, sorry! Two, sorry! Last lap! Ay, inabot! 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 Oy! Oh! Winner! Grabe talaga yung ano? The Businessman. Yan, number 2. Number 2. Grabe naman yun. First set pa lang. Uy! Second set, semis. Second set. Tumembang! Oh! Wabulan! Wax! Oh! Tumembang! Last set! Uy, Yeti! Third set! Third set! Third set, last. Going finals. Huli, no? Umembang si Mika Salamanca. Last lap. Oh! Wax! Hatak! Oh! Finals. Oh, magkano natin na ito? 432? 432. Ah, 3, ano? 333?
Tapos lalamang pa.
Kasi isa, puti kinuha na agad. Finals.
Ay, one pa oh.
Finals. Oh, yung isa. Yeti. Finals.
Next, tres ka kami.
Ito ng ano.
Tres ako, tres. Tangkilip, hindi mo ako binili ng kape. Embang ka. Ready?
Finals, 10K GP. One. Oh! Oy! Champion! Kuwag! Second, The Businessman. Third, Yeti. Hey!
Si ano?
Champion car. Second. Third. Fourth. Bye-bye.